Hi, hello everybody. Today we are in a very special property right on La Fe, right in front of the water dam, which is actually amazing. You're gonna see the view just now. Look at that property, it's just gorgeous. We're gonna see, like always, we're gonna see outside first and then we're gonna see inside. Come with me and let's look at this property. This is a very special property for many reasons. One of the reasons is that this is not a gated community, but is a gated community. There's a hidden jewel, that's what I call it. It's very special because it's not gated, but nobody comes in. It is very secure. Very special neighborhood, only a few homes, very special people living here though. Now, let's go look at the property. When you first come into this place, into this home, you encounter this amazing driveway with this one level home. It actually has a couple of apartments right at the bottom though. Very ample space. And we go through here. We're gonna go inside the house right now. We go through the driveway that actually goes around. Got this beautiful roundabout. And look at the palm trees, they're just gorgeous. You see this? We have the stairs right here. We can have a little bungalow or something. And look at this, more palm trees and little guava trees. And look at that. See what I'm telling you? Look at the reservoir right there. So you have this beautiful view all the time. Check it out. This property has two homes. Divided into actually four different living spaces for the owner of the home kids. Now, this home that we see right here has got two little apartments. We're not gonna see them inside because they're actually used as a storage right now, so they're very messy. But it's just we're gonna see them outside. They look really nice. So we keep on walking now on the property and we see all this. We got this corridor right here and this little bungalow home. And just look at the view. This is gorgeous. Look at all this. The line that divides this home actually goes through here though. This other lot doesn't come with the home. And look at this. Just walking around the home. Look at this beautiful lot. Now, we're going to the main home, to the main house, but we're gonna cut through this little forest right here so you can see what I'm telling you. These are actually, they're not ripe yet though. This one's right here. They're called nísperos and they taste really good though. This one is gonna be probably the acidy side. When they get very yellow, they're really great though. It's surrounded by trees in this property. It's just beautiful. With the lake right in front of you. I mean, look at this. Ligia. Just imagine waking up every morning, having a coffee, sitting here, and looking at that right at the back. It's just amazing, beautiful. Now, let's go look at the house inside. Now check this out. This is another apartment right here. So in reality, there's like 2 apartments right there and 1 apartment right here. So 2 right there and 1 right here. So it's perfect if you want to have guests that you don't want to be really involved with them. We're not gonna see them right now because it's rented out. So yeah, amazing. Like, share, and subscribe so we can keep on bringing you more properties like this. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see apartments, luxury homes, luxury apartments, luxury cottages, we're here to give you the best service and to please you in any way we can. Once again, I'm Thomas, Real Estate Medellin. That info. Goodbye for now. See ya. Bye-bye.